We go complete and expand Benin-Auchi road. Also build new road from Benin River Port to Okpella. Obaseki na talk this one. Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki don dey think of ways to speed up the completion of Benin-Auchi road, wey don dey very bad for years. One of the ways wey e wan consider na the proposal to take over the management and maintenance of the Benin-Auchi road under the Federal Government Highway Development and Management Initiative (HDMI), wey Federal Ministry of Works and Housing dey promote. Under the HDMI, federal government dey give the go-ahead to investors to construct major highways across the country, and dem expect the investors to make investment of about 1.134 trillion naira. Obaseki talk this one for the enlarged meeting of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) members across the world and local government areas for Edo Central Senatorial District. Say federal government don come out with a scheme wey dem don take allow states to do federal government roads.
Edo must move forward. We cannot be suffering in the midst of plenty. You cannot be living here. You are not able to carry out your businesses. Meanwhile, what you need is right here. It will not require much. Even this road, it took me almost 2 hours. How many hours journey? This is less than 60 kilometers. Everywhere else, even if I was driving at 60 miles per hour, I should have been here in 1 hour. I couldn't get here. Thank God, federal government is now saying that it cannot do everything itself. It's coming up with all sorts of schemes so that we states too can participate. And we're going to be applying. I told my brother, Chief Onolo Meme, under the new arrangement with the BPE, we are taking over this road so that we can toll it. And I will rebuild it for ourselves and expand it. There is so much that we can do, and we must do because we have run out of time. But there's nothing that will happen without the harmonious politics. I am an economist. I'm from an investment banking background. And we used to think, oh, no, just fix the economy. When you fix the economy, everything will work. Nah, lie. Fix the politics, and everything else will be added onto you.
He said them go apply for the scheme and they want design new road from Benin River Port to Okpella. Him say hopefully for their development plan, them go also put rail link for there. This one na the ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give una on top the cocoa for today. My name na Chidima Anichukwu from Benin.